The Aussie Critter Keeper here today, and we're going to be creating our very own terrarium. We're going to be covering how to firstly create your own terrarium and then maintain your terrarium and keep it nice and healthy. We'll be covering the substrate, so that's why I've got these small pebbles and obviously the potting mix. And then we'll go all the way through to the planting stage and yeah, the decoration stage. I hope you enjoy it. Firstly, you've got to get your container where you're going to be building your terrarium. Today I have a 5 litre aquarium, and then you're going to be moving on to substrate. So I've got the small pebbles. They're going to be put in first. It will create a small layer at the bottom, so if you need to drain any excess water out, that can easily be done. And then your potting mix and native fertilizers will be going in next. This is quite important because this is what your plant's going to be living in. And now I'll start construction. Right, so the next step is now that after you put all your substrate in is obviously your decoration. So I've got 2 large rocks here. So I'm just going to kind of fiddle around with them, get them in position, and then I'll move on to my plants. And then after that you can kind of fine tune everything and get it perfect. So there we go, we've created a basic terrarium. This one is obviously not too exciting, it's just got moss and rocks. But yeah, overall they're awesome to make, and you just got to remember, obviously your first water is going to be to kind of really soak the soil, and then you just lightly spray it with a sprayer every couple of days or so, because you got to remember they are a rainforest plant. And obviously with the mosses it's low light, so you don't need to have a light over it. And obviously with terrariums you can use a variety of plants. I've got another terrarium that I've made, we'll have a look at that later. It's got ferns and yeah, mosses and stuff like that, so it looks a bit more appealing. But overall, terrariums, they're easy to make, they look beautiful, and once this one, it looks a bit dirty at the moment, but once it takes hold, it will look pretty spectacular, I hope. So I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Thank you.